Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless.
Yo, what is up, y'all? I'm starting this video off a little bit different. You guys haven't really, I don't think y'all have ever seen the couch. You know, I like this couch honestly. I feel like if we was sitting here, you know, chatting about car stuff, like it'd be cool to tell y'all like the G35. You know, like it's pretty alright. I mean, the battery's dead right now, but it's pretty alright. Anyways, y'all tuned into this video for something very special. I mean, that's for the wrap. Honestly, this video is not sponsored or nothing. I'm not sponsored by nobody to, you know, talk about products or anything. But I did go with Vinyl Frog, so I grabbed Vinyl Frog carbon fiber wrap. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm not sponsored, I can say whatever I want to say. It's not bad. Like, it's not bad. The weave, like the way that the carbon fiber wrap weave looks, it looks off to me, and it's like throwing me off a little bit. Like, I can show you guys like close up. Like, I don't know, something about this weave is like a little weird. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I'll throw a clip if y'all didn't see that. But that's not what we're here for, you know. The carbon fiber is just for so small accent areas, little details. I'm not gonna do like a panel, like a roof carbon fiber, or like a hood, because yeah, I don't really like how that weave looks. It looks a little bit too fake, in my opinion. I want it to look a little bit more realistic. But got some of those small things I do got wrapped in carbon fiber on the G35, and I'll probably use some of that on my car as well. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know how heavy wrap was, to be honest. I know it had to have some weight, but yo, I'm not weak or nothing. I go to the gym, trust me.
Cap.
This box is pretty heavy. I don't have nothing to open the box, do I? Now I gotta pick up the box, grab something to open the box, put the box down, pick up the box again. This is gonna be my first look at the color, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I was very hesitant when I say this color. I'm not gonna lie. I was very hesitant because originally, well, let me show you the color first before I talk about what original I was gonna do. Oh yeah. All right. This is my first look as well, y'all. As well as y'all first look, this is my first look. I didn't peek at the color. I did look at one example online. I didn't look at any more because I wanted to be a little bit surprised. I probably should order like a little swatch set or something, but damn, dog, kind of excited right now. Hold on, yeah, let's get this out the way. Whew. It smells like wrap. Oh man, I don't know. Yo, this is fake gas. This is fake gas. I never did this color. Well, I never thought of owning a car this color before. So, well, actually I have now, but I'll explain that in a later video why I'm considering this color in a different car. But let's take it out the box. How do you get this out the box? What's that noise? Damn. Yeah, this is definitely the face of the guy that goes to the gym. I'm telling you, I'm not weak enough, but this thing is heavy, man. Let's take it. I'm not gonna lie. Looking through the plastic, it looked good. But you know what I'm saying? It looked good. It looked good. But without the plastic, yo, oh. Yo, this is gonna be so gas. Yo. Nah, bro. Nah, oh my God, bro. What time is it, bro? I don't have no time to wrap the car right now, do I? Oh, I gotta start tomorrow. Y'all, tomorrow morning. I gotta start, bro. This is, yo, like, I know when the sun hits this, it's just gonna be like, oh, metallically and smooth. It's gonna be like a, ooh, smooth. Yo, Vinyl Frost should sponsor me, bro, cause boy. All right, y'all. So now I can tell y'all about like a little bit more about like the color choices and whatnot. So I really want to do a midnight purple car. Not like the GTR like midnight purple like 3 or 2 and none of those. I always want to do like just like a nice like dark, really dark midnight purple looking car. I always wanted to do that, and I was gonna do it with this car. I'm not gonna lie. Part of me was gonna do it, but then I was like, I already have a black car. I don't want to have another like crazy dark car. And I mean, at the end of the day, y'all, keep it a buck. I'm not planning on keeping the GT5 like long term. So that's just why I wanted to experiment with the new one and try some new things. I'm like, yo, like, what would this look like? Because I'm shit. I may come around and wrap the G37 and maybe I don't know, but blue was not really my choice because I don't know. I never really was like a blue car. What's that? A blue car guy kind of person, but seeing like the C300s, the W205 C300s, y'all, and I was like, yo, if I want a blue car, I want a Benz. I ain't gonna lie, G. And that might be a little bit of a tidbit or a little bit of a giveaway of some things that might come soon for the channel. I mean, you know what, y'all? I'm not gatekeeping that. I'm telling y'all, like, I want a C300. I want a W205 Benz. I'm not gonna lie. It's something about it. It's clean. It's sleek. I prefer the coupe low key, cause I don't know the coupe. This video's not even about that, y'all. You know what? We'll talk about that another time. If y'all got some questions about that, what cars I'm considering, like, long term or like after like the GT5, y'all let me know down in the comments. Cause a little secret, I did buy a car actually, a second car. I didn't show y'all yet, but y'all gonna see that car soon as well. So, well, I bought a third car. Y'all gonna see that. Anyways, y'all, let's wrap this car tomorrow. Not gonna lie, y'all, I couldn't wait. I had to start a little bit. So right now, I'm actually just taking out the dents. I'm not even wrapping the car because there are some pretty sizable dents in the car, and I want the car to be pretty prepped before I have to wrap this. Right now, bought this kit. I'm not gonna lie, I never used this before. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just know you turn this. I put the glue right there. I turn this knob, and oh yeah, look at this, pulling the dent out. Let me see if I can get y'all. Oh, there we go. See, dent coming out a little bit. It's not. Is this even a good angle? I don't hope this is. Let's see. Can y'all tell it's coming out? To me, I see it. I see the dent getting flatter and stuff. Like, let's try to look from this side. Yeah, it's coming out. Like I said, yeah, I never did this before, so keep it buck. Oh, it's like pulling out. I hear it. It's like. Now we done. Let me get the. All right, y'all. So I'm letting you know from right now that the dent pulling was not working. I didn't know what I was doing. It wasn't working. I don't know how to do that. But we're onto the hood, right? Now the hood was a little bit better. It's a little bit easier. I'm not gonna lie. I did have a little help at one point because I just had the cameraman to hold it for me, just help me out. Cause I was like, yo, bro, can you just like lift up that one side? But I realized like ultimately, like having him lift up that one side probably was a bad idea. It would be way easier for me to just do it myself, just cause like I don't know, it just wasn't pulling the way I needed to pull. But at some point, I was starting to get it. I was getting the process, I was getting a little flow of it. Started figuring out how I want to do it and stuff. And he was getting tired, so yeah. All right, y'all. So I got this side, like, bro, this side's like glassed out. So they say. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know rap slang, but what I see is like, if you're saying glass, I mean, this side looks pretty glassed out if you ask me. Not gonna lie, low key, I've never seen a car with headlights wrapped the same color. Now hear me out, y'all. I know this sounds riced out, but low key, it wouldn't look that bad. You know, like if it was like a race car kind of build, it wouldn't look that bad. But anyways, this side, bro, I see actual reflection in this, bro. It's look good. This was some minor imperfections, but this is what I'm on right now. I got like this like edge, like this like indent in the hood done, but I just can't figure out this like bulk area, bro. Like this area is kind of like, it's kind of messing with me, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like you see, like it's pinching up right here, stuff like these aren't really like, you know, laying flat. But I'm about to take up like, get into here, take up like this much area, like this whole area right here. Hopefully, I should be able to save it without messing up this side. But this is where we at right now, y'all. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. All right, y'all. So I'm finally at the point where I'm ready to start cutting. The hood is laid, you know, all the way to that little line right there, and then the same thing on that side, which this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. But anyways, I'm ready to start cutting. Obviously, there's a technique to cutting. Is this done? Yeah, this is done. Obviously, there's a technique to cutting, y'all. You know, you don't cut like at the exact edge of where the panel is done. You cut on the opposite edge, so that way you have enough to tuck it underwards. I'm just making sure right now that I have enough space underneath, like between these two panels, that like if I do cut it, the opposite edge is enough to tuck it. I'm pretty sure there is. It seems pretty like consistent. The only thing that's gonna be hard to do is this area, which I'm probably just gonna cut it a little bit. I'll probably cut it wider first and then cut it shorter afterwards. But this would be kind of cool too. Imagine I did like a blue. Never mind. Nah, let me stop, y'all. Anyways, let me get to cutting and we're gonna see how it looks afterwards. Yo, no words needed. Obviously, I did do this fender and kind of that door. This fender is kind of bad. So look at this fender. Like you kind of see like the heat marks and stuff. I'm gonna redo this one. Just don't look at that, but look at that hood, bro. Just let's just pull back a little bit. Just imagine it. You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, this looks good, y'all. I'm in the process of painting the grill. Not gonna lie, I had to get that painted. It was bad, bro. Like the grill was horrible. But damn, who's doing that, bro? Homie's like doing some crazy pulls right now, bruh. Anyways, let's just look at this side. Is okay. Right here, kind of messed up, but that's because this is kind of messed up right here. I did bend it back a little bit, so it'll be fixed, you know, once I bend it back. But once this fender is done, y'all, and like the full fender hood is done, that combo, the bumper I'm gonna take off, get that done. You guys are gonna see a lot of this stuff like in just like, you know, fast forward obviously, because this stuff's gonna take pretty long if I was to do like a full video, just like showing you guys how all this is done. But we're gonna speed up through this. We're gonna put some Bondo and like dents like this because this is kind of bad. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I see this. That's kind of bad. Put some Bondo there, cover that up. Then we're gonna come back here. I'm not gonna lie. The proper way would be to pull this dent out, but we're gonna put Bondo. Just sand it down, smooth right there, same here. I don't know. I think I left extra glue. I must have not been paying attention when I was taking the glue off, y'all. Anyways, there are some dents right here. You kind of see them when I come in, like right there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm using Bondo. The car is not really gonna get unwrapped anytime soon. Most likely, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell this car to somebody, and then probably even either never gonna unwrap it in their time of ownership, or like they're gonna unwrap it and like not really care too much about it. So the back is actually pretty good looking. Like I think it was the back is gonna be pretty easy to do, especially like that whole trunk or rear quarter area. I think that's gonna be pretty easy. The doors weren't too bad. Well, I only did one door so far, but I mean, anyways, y'all, I'll continue. Y'all, I hate it here, y'all. I don't know if I can even see it, but it just started raining, bro. Like, like this is literally why I can't wrap this car, y'all. I kid y'all not. Literally, so I wrapped the hood today, right? Started raining after. I was doing the fender the first day, started raining. I was doing the door, and that another day started raining. Like it's literally rained every day that I wrapped this car, and I've only been able to finish one panel at a time, which is pretty annoying. But what I'm going to do is, I took off these. They're like mud guards basically for that rear. Where's it? There it is. For that rear section right there, they're mud guards. So, well, they're not mud guards, but like that's what I'm gonna call them, because like they're like that kind of panel that you put like a mud guard protection and whatever. Anyways, I took those off, so I'm probably gonna wrap those inside the house. The front bumper is gonna come off. I don't feel like doing it today because it already started raining and like you know can't can't do it right now. I don't feel like standing in the rain and getting sick just to pick the bumper off. Not today. Not well, not for this car, but not today. Anyway.